I had mentioned to you in my earlier post about simple home tips for acne to prevent acne and to control them. I thought that I'll just bring into light a few home products which can aid oil control as well as prevent acne. So here we go. Here we have 3 ingredients with us. First is turmeric. So now turmeric is known as the king of spices. It is actually a ginger which is grown in Southeast Asian countries, and it contains curcuminoid pigments which have an excellent antioxidant property. They synthesize antioxidants in our body. Then it is also a known antiseptic and an anti-inflammatory agent. Now second is going to be honey. Okay. Honey basically contains organic acid, which is a natural scrub. Primarily what it does is it sheds the dead skin of the face and then exfoliates the dead skin, and hence the face lightens up and it gives a good moisture to the face and a good glow. Then the third is going to be cinnamon powder. So what we do is we make a paste of all the 3, and then we have to apply it on to the area which I just said. Okay, so now I've divided this into 2 sections actually. So the first will be for this kind of an mild inflammatory acne, which can be put into a grade 2 kind of an acne. Here you can see slight erythema and mild papules around with a post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So for this, what I thought best home tip would be, so take a pinch of turmeric powder, mix it with honey, and then a pinch of cinnamon powder again, and mix it, and then we make a good paste out of it. So now the most important aspect of this is please do not keep it for more than 3 hours over the particular lesion. Okay, so don't keep it because the timing is very important, as it can cause a little bit of irritation otherwise. So just for 3 hours over the lesion and wash it off. That's it. So now we move on to our in-house peel. Actually, we just tried with a few ingredients at home. So first is besan or wheat gram. Second is going to be curd, which contains lactic acid. So lactic acid was one of the oldest used products. Even Egyptian Queen Cleopatra had used it to cleanse her skin to get a good and even skin tone. So this lactic acid. Then we have our in-house vitamin C serum actually, which is lemon juice. So half a teaspoon of lemon juice is what we'll use. Honey, as I said, is an excellent, it's one of the best exfoliative scrubs we have. It exfoliates the upper layer of the skin, the dead cells or the corneocytes, and then improves the skin texture. And our rose water acts as a moisturizer. So we make a paste of all this and then apply it over our face for about 25 minutes and then wash. So 1 teaspoon in curd, okay, and then half a teaspoon of honey, excellent, and okay, and few drops of rose water, okay, and 2 pinches of lime. Okay, excellent. Okay, and make a good paste. It smells more good than I think it's looking. Okay, now the paste is ready. You just have to apply it over the skin for about 25 minutes and wash. The pack. Just to cool the air. After the 30 minutes of putting the pack, we washed, and then there is a slight amount of glow and slight amount of texture improvement on her face. Awesome. She must be feeling very refreshed. Thank you.